Again, maraming salamat po.
Yay!
Thank you.
To my fellow graduates, to show our deepest appreciation to all our teachers in the Yunmela family, please rise and let us give them a round of applause. To my fellow graduates and all the best in life, good luck and facing the real world without getting afraid of failures, because we are continuous learning and never give up on our dreams. With honor and pride, I say, aim high and fly high. We should always